This is what I did. It was pouring down raining. What I did, it used to be from like right here. No, right here. Now I made it from there to all the way over here. Plus, on the scanner, we heard something on the scanner that we heard the dispatcher saying the train struck something on the West Main track. He told the engineer to go check if there was any damage on the locomotive. And it was a 431 that hit the tree, or that struck it on the West Main. Just wanted to give you a little update on that. I didn't have my phone with me, so that's why I didn't record it when he said the train struck the tree. So yeah, just giving you another update. Bye.